Laser engravers aren't the flashiest machines in a workshop, but they've quickly become one of the most useful tools for creators in 2026. Whether it's customizing GIFs, crafting signs, or producing detailed parts for small businesses, these machines bring precision and versatility to a wide range of projects. Choosing the right one, though, depends on your budget, workspace, and the materials you plan to use. In this video, we're counting down the 6 best laser engravers of 2026, covering their standout features and which type of user they're best suited for. Number 6. Ortur Laser Master 3. For anyone stepping into laser engraving without wanting to spend thousands, the Ortur Laser Master 3 makes a very strong case. It balances affordability with enough performance to handle real projects, which is why it earns a spot on this list. The machine offers a 400 x 400 mm work area, large enough for medium-sized signs, crafts, or artwork. Its 10W diode laser module uses a compressed spot size of about 0.05 x 0.10 mm, giving it a surprising level of detail for engraving fine text and intricate graphics. With a maximum engraving speed of 20,000 mm/min, it's also one of the faster diode models in this price range. Cutting performance is solid, too, capable of handling up to 8 mm plywood in a single pass and thicker material with multiple runs. One of its strengths is the convenience factor. The Laser Master 3 supports Wi-Fi connectivity and mobile app control, so you can manage jobs wirelessly instead of staying tethered to a computer. Safety has also been well considered. There's emergency stop functionality, flame and tilt detection, motion sensors, and a key lock system. The Ortur Laser Master 3 is a practical choice for hobbyists, DIY crafters, or small startups who want a capable engraver without the cost of professional CO2 systems. Number 5. IKIER K1 Ultra Laser Engraver. If speed and cutting power are top priorities, the IKIER K1 Ultra is worth a serious look. This engraver is designed for makers who want results quickly, without sacrificing precision or versatility. It steps up from hobby-level machines into a category that feels closer to professional use. The K1 Ultra has a 400 x 400 mm working area, giving plenty of space for larger patterns, signs, or multiple smaller items at once. What really sets it apart is its 24W diode laser module, a significant jump in strength compared to the more common 10W units. With this, it can cut 20 mm pine boards in a single pass and even handle acrylic up to 30 mm with multiple passes. Another highlight is its speed. With engraving capability up to 36,000 mm/min, the K1 Ultra is noticeably faster than many of its rivals. That means more projects done in less time, which is appealing for small businesses or anyone producing batches. The machine also features autofocus adjustment, a smart air assist system for cleaner cuts, and a large touchscreen interface that allows for standalone operation without always relying on a connected computer. The IKIER K1 Ultra is a great fit for serious hobbyists and small shops that need efficiency, strength, and advanced features all in one package. Number 4. Creality Laser Engraver. Creality is best known for its 3D printers, but in recent years, the company has expanded into laser engraving with solid results. Their latest engraver is a versatile, user-friendly option that combines the brand's reputation for reliability with a design that allows room to grow. This machine provides a working area of about 400 x 415 mm, slightly larger than many competitors, which is a plus if you're working on signs, craft boards, or layered art pieces. It uses a 22W diode laser module, powerful enough to cut through 15 mm wood or 10 mm black acrylic in a single pass. Its engraving speed tops out at 25,000 mm/min, giving it a good balance of power and efficiency. Creality has also made this engraver modular. That means you can swap out laser modules or add accessories as your projects evolve. It supports both Wi-Fi and USB connectivity, so you can run it from your computer or control it wirelessly. In terms of safety, there are optional enclosure kits for smoke control, along with flame detection and auto shutdown systems. If you like the idea of a machine that grows with you, the Creality Laser Engraver is a smart mid-range pick. Powerful, flexible, and backed by a well-known name in the makerspace. Number 3. Two Trees TS2. For creators who want a larger workspace without paying for premium CO2 systems, the Two Trees TS2 is a strong option. It combines accessibility with performance, making it a favorite among hobbyists who want room to experiment on bigger projects. The TS2's 450 x 450 mm work area is one of the largest among diode laser engravers in this range. That extra space means you can engrave bigger panels, create multi-piece artworks, or work on multiple smaller designs at once. Depending on the configuration, it comes with either a 10W or 20W diode laser, both capable of fine engraving and effective cutting. The 20W version can cut 12 mm wood or 8 mm acrylic in a single pass, which is more than enough for most personal and craft projects. Engraving speed reaches up to 24,000 mm/min, keeping it competitive with other high-end diode models. It also features an autofocus system with a sliding focusing bar, making setup more straightforward, especially for those new to laser engraving. A built-in air assist system reduces smoke and burn marks, improving the quality of both engravings and cuts. On the downside, the TS2 is bulkier than most in this list, so it requires a dedicated space. Its design also feels less polished than premium competitors, but for the price, it delivers outstanding value. The Two Trees TS2 is best for makers who want generous space and consistent performance without stretching their budget. Number 2. Glowforge Pro. The Glowforge Pro is often described as the machine that made laser engraving feel approachable for everyday creators, and it still holds its ground as one of the most polished options available. It's a premium CO2 laser engraver that combines professional-level cutting power with an interface that feels simple enough for a beginner to handle. The Pro model uses a 45W CO2 laser, which means it can cut and engrave far more materials than diode machines. Everything from thick hardwoods to acrylics, leathers, and even some fabrics. Its 495 x 279 mm work area may look modest at first, but the inclusion of a pass-through slot allows for infinitely long materials, so you can engrave large panels or signage in sections. There are trade-offs, of course. The Glowforge Pro carries a premium price tag, and because it relies on cloud connectivity, you'll need a steady internet connection to run jobs. That said, the ease of use and professional results make it hard to beat. For small businesses, classrooms, or creators who want power without the headaches of a complex setup, the Glowforge Pro remains one of the best CO2 engravers you can buy. Number 1. xTool P2. Sitting at the top of this list is the xTool P2, a CO2 laser engraver that bridges the gap between hobbyist machines and full professional setups. It's built for makers who need serious power and flexibility, but who also want a machine that feels polished and user-friendly. The P2 features a 55W CO2 laser, giving it cutting strength far beyond diode engravers. It can handle 18mm hardwood or 20mm acrylic in a single pass, which opens the door to thicker, more ambitious projects. The working area of 600 x 308mm is already generous, but with the conveyor feeder accessory, you can engrave and cut materials that stretch well beyond the base size, making it an excellent choice for production work or batch jobs. Precision is another standout feature. The P2 includes dual 16MP cameras, one panoramic and one close-up, that give you live previews of your work area and allow for automatic focus adjustment. It even supports curved surface engraving, which means mugs, helmets, or domed objects can be customized with accuracy that rivals professional industrial units. It's larger and more expensive than entry-level machines, so it won't be right for casual users. But for professionals, small businesses, or serious makers, the xTool P2 is the most complete and capable laser engraver of 2026. And that wraps up our list of the 6 best laser engravers of 2026. Each one has its own strengths, from entry-level models that are budget-friendly to professional CO2 machines built for serious production. The right engraver really depends on your budget, the space you have, and the materials you'll be working with. Let us know in the comments which engraver fits your needs best, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you won't miss future updates.